Let us continue with the explanation of second stanza. I'll repeat again. Anxious means feeling or showing worry or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. Unheeding means neglecting. The crowd over there, they neglected her, didn't see her, and they were in their own world. Moving on to the next stanza. Down the street with laughter and shout. Children, the woman was still over there looking for a helping hand, but she was confused, she was nervous, she was not that confident as to ask even for a help from somebody who were there near her. Over here, down the street with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out, came happy boys like a flock of sheep, hailing the snow piled white and deep. Past the woman, so old and grey, hastened the children on their way. Down the street, laughing and shouting, came a group of happy boys. They were happy. Why were they happy? Because they got the freedom. Freedom means their school was over, they were free from the school, and so they were happy to go home. School let out, they were happy to go home just because their school was over. Came happy boys like a flock of sheep. The figure of speech in this line is simile, where the happy boys are directly compared to the flock of sheep. Hailing means welcoming the snow. Who were welcoming? The small boys. They were welcoming the snow piled white and deep. Naturally, the when there is snowfall, everywhere we see white roads, streets. They are white. Even the on branches of the trees we can see snow. So everywhere the snow was seen. Past the woman. These boys also, they passed the woman. So old and grey. Now again figure of speech tautology here. Past the woman, so old and grey. Old and grey, both of them convey the same meaning. Hastened the children on their way. Now children, hastened means they moved very quickly. They went quickly from there. None offered a helping hand to her. Now, these boys also passed, but even they didn't offer a helping hand. So weak and timid, afraid to stir. Who was so weak? The woman, she was very weak due to old age, timid, and afraid to stir. She was even afraid to look and ask for help. Lest means for the fear that. Why was even she afraid to cross the road or something? Lest the carriage wheels or the horse's feet should trample her down in the slippery street. Children, when there is snowfall, after the snowfall, generally it happens when it starts melting, the road becomes slippery, and this old woman, she was not at all confident enough to cross. She thought that what if carriages come, wheels come, and due to horses and all, she may fall down, or what if she tumbles down. This fear she had in mind. Okay, that's why she was not even not afraid to move forward and cross the road. And even the old, these boys, those who were coming out of the school and were walking quickly, happily, they even didn't give a helping hand to her. at last came out of the merry troop. At last came out of the merry troop the gayest boy of all the group. Out of all these boys, one happy boy, a wonderful boy, he came out